What's up? We're back. We're gonna be reacting to. First of all, I've never listened to a Road Wave song. This is my
Rod.
first. Yeah, I said Road Wave.
Rod Wave, call your friends.
Rod Wave. Rod.
Yeah.
Okay, Rod.
Call your friends. Let's see. Sounds sad and pessimistic.
No, it's probably had something to do with bitches.
I've heard that he's like very dark.
I've heard that it was fat.
I've been up for 3 nights trying to plan out my life.
Okay, they were right. He's very dark and very fat. They were both right. Son of a bitch.
I've been living so wrong, but I just wanna do right. It's like I did her so wrong, but wanted her to be my wife. Wanna pack up my clothes, my kids, and catch us a flight. They getting older.
Cute baby.
I never wanted them to know how it felt to come from a broken home. My fault, guess I did it all wrong. Part of the Rose truck, ain't drove that thing in a minute. I don't even know why I bought it. Really hate the attention. I said it
I'm happy someone is admitting.
was the look on my mama face when I did it, but really it was my pride ready to say it ain't ready. Can't get lost in the sauce, called it money competitions. What's the point of an Instagram image when you got millions for real? You really got the millions for real. 7 in the morning.
Love your voice. I love his voice. He's not the second coming of Chris Brown, but yeah, I love his voice.
My shit buzzing and banging. All day my phone ring ever since I've been famous. Everybody got the perfect scheme to get us some paper. Trying to make it seem it's best for me and it ain't no favor. If it wasn't for favors, they'll never call you. Sometimes I need someone to talk to. Sometimes this life can be confusing. Call your friends and ask how they doing. I'm coolin'. Those days I just be coolin'. Everybody got their own life and their own problems. This life's too short for grudges. Call them to the girl.
I kind of disagree with that. Some grudges are necessary.
Yeah, some grudges are necessary.
Girl, got my heart forever open, my line to my niggas down the road, one call at a time. My phone never ring to see if I'm doing fine. Even though I be so caught up on the grind, could you call me if I ever cross your mind? Do I ever cross your mind? If I ever cross your mind, call me if I ever cross your mind. Do I ever cross your mind?
He has a very happy smile. Jeez.
If I ever cross your mind, please call me.
That's decent.
God, this is sad. That's sad. But yeah, there was Rod Wave. Call your friends. Yeah. Good
I don't
singer.
understand why it says call your friends and then he says call me. You call, motherfucker.
He has a good voice. Like, he has a good voice. And yeah, bruh, what a song, bruh. Yeah. This is, I'm taking it back a bit, but it's cool. Please like, subscribe, and please suggest videos for us to react to. And yeah, bruh, like, let's go.
And don't forget to eat healthy and work out and run, cycle,
You're gonna say
swim.
that right after a Rod Wave video?
Hey man, do you also want to make a song too about call your friends? While diabetes is here. Yeah, it's like, just ready to get you one day. One slice of cheesecake, bah! Dude, you're fucked. Yeah, Remember to stay healthy and exercise and eat right, drink water. Fuck. Hey, I almost said something bad. Hey, I forgot. Hey, these are the sponsors.
No, please say it.
No, don't fuck with the bag. Get the bag, then fuck them over.
Like Kanye.
Go broke again. Anyway, yeah, exactly.